Hi guys, welcome to Neutral.x360. Again, like I said, this is where you master the market and this is where you unlock for your potential. Remember guys, before I show you guys this high accurate strategy whereby I use it to catch setup just like this and also like this guys. Very simple. You see, one thing you guys need to know that is that the main reason why a lot of traders fail on this space because they are trying to adapt something that is not theirs. All right, if you are learning something new and you're trying to adapt a language, it takes difficult times. And remember, strategy is not the key to trading, okay, but it gives you a clear view on what you need to see over here. Before I show you guys this higher accurate strategy where I use, and you guys should also implement it in your, I want to program you guys mind to see this in a different view. Trading is a digital market. All right, digital market, you need to treat it like your physical market whereby we have the wholesale and the retail. All right, trading is very easy. You see, I never use any trading language. I use the concept of up and down. All right, you see, up, you see there's no word such thing as trading language. Okay, I'm making this video for you guys to see that trading is that easy. Okay, this is very high accurate strategy. All right, and before I show you guys this strategy, do hit that follow button and do hit that like button, okay, before you get a strategy just like this to see I've been winning trade over the past 3 years. Okay, do comment any area you are having issue in trading before I follow you down, before I take you down to the strategy. Further ado, let's get to the strategy guys. So guys, here is our strategy that I promise you guys I'll be showing you guys about. So this is what I call the Neutral S strategy. It consists of what, six steps. Where I said the first one, you want to remove the noise, because if you're coming to a market space, what do you want to do first is remove the noise, because you need to focus on what you are focusing on. Then second, you mark out the open and close of the candle depending on the type of trader you are. So you need to mark out the type of candle. If you are working on the daily candle, mark out the daily highs and open. Then thirdly, we have our direction, because we need to know where the market is going to, so we can know either we are buying or we are selling. Right. Then fourth, we want to mark out our analysis. All right, we want to know the area where the wholesalers and the retailer will be coming in. Then fifth, we just take our entry. Then sixth is where you become neutral to the game. Okay, I want you guys to be neutral to the space, so you guys used to see the chart in a clear view. All right, this is very high accurate strategy whereby it consists of just 6 steps and you don't need to start looking for fair value gap, liquidity points, or breaker block. You don't need all that in this space. Okay, this is very straight and this video will be very easy for you guys to understand. And yes, if you want to see me use this strategy, do watch this video down below on the description whereby I use it on the top down analysis. I always paste my strategy on the screen. And I swear, if you want to join me on this free class I'm about to air this month, we start on the 20th of this month, 2021 to 22. Do follow me on my Telegram to get in on that as well, and also on my YouTube, on my TikTok, where I hold every weekend my trade recap and my future price movement. All right, this is how it works guys. Very simple and very effective. I have students who have been using this and who have been giving me back good results. Okay, simple strategy, very effective. Once you don't see the price rate of wholesale or retail, you just softly leave the chart the way it is. All right, they won't beat you for it, they won't do you anything for it. All right, same thing guys, we have been winning good trade from it. Can you see this? Beautiful and excellent. Okay, one strategy, one movement. Do try this strategy and get back to me, and also do comment anywhere you're having issue in trading and I'll be glad to do a video for you. All right, see you soon on the next video. Peace out.